Hello, people of the internet. My name is CJ, and I have a new shirt. So I received this shirt earlier this morning at the 10th Regiment of Foot's final recruit school. It was made by Ian Graves, who is a very good maker of 18th century clothing. I will leave a link to his Facebook page in the description if you want to go check him out. So, yeah, new shirt. I thought it might be a good idea to compare this new shirt that Ian made for me with my old shirt, which I previously wore with my 10th Regiment of Foot impression, which you may have seen in some of my previous videos. So yeah, let's compare them. So the new one from Ian is, of course, all handmade. It is made of linen and also has, you may have noticed, has thread buttons. Well, this older one, I bought this one from Townsend's for $40, and this is, of course, not custom made. This one is made of cotton and has bone buttons. You may notice that it only has one button on the collar instead of two. And this button actually I had to re-sew this one on because it fell off at one point. Well, it didn't fall off, but it was close to falling off. So I re-sewed that, so that's why it has red thread instead of the white thread that it was originally sewn on with. Because I had to re-sew it on, and I didn't have any white linen thread, so I used red. So yeah, this is my new shirt that I will, from now on, be wearing with my 10th Regiment of Foot impression. It is definitely of a much nicer quality than the one I was wearing before, even though you won't be able to see it when I'm wearing my full 10th impression, because I will be wearing my waistcoat and my coat and my neck stock on top of it. It is a much nicer quality shirt. So that's nice. Anyway, thank you for watching. Goodbye.
I've been a wild rover for many years. I've spent all my money on whiskey and beer.